What's up everyone, Debug.Log here, and today we're gonna go ahead and continue working on our horror game that we hope Markiplier will play in 3 scary games. Let's get started.
What you're about to see is 15 hours of video footage, shortened down to about 20 minutes. Viewer discretion is advised.
First thing you'll notice that everything is very colorful. We had changed all the textures of the walls and everything to different colored textures or materials, just to make it where we could simply mess with lighting and lighting only and not worry about the textures or materials in general. And that's literally what I did for this first probably minute here. What? There was something I did. I did the colors, you know? The colors. Okay, we'll just move on to the next cool stuff. Now, like a lot of games, quest systems can kind of at least point a player in the right direction. So I decided that that might be a good way to get our player pointed in the right direction, is to give them a quest to do. I mean, they were dropped off at a school by their friends. It's kind of the storyline. Like, almost like kidnapped, like as a funny joke. Maybe it's not a joke, who knows. They were dropped off at the school, and now they have to find their way out. So it's kind of like a piece of paper slid under the door that the kids are telling them that he needs to do to get out. Now, I might scrap the quest system sometime in the future, but I did make it, and this is the process that I took. By the way, if you're interested in actually like seeing the code behind the quest system, or having a more of a tutorial or a video on the quest system itself, please let me know in the comments down below, and I might consider posting a video about that. Otherwise, here's an hour and 45 minutes in about 2 minutes. Now you'll see me developing the flashlight. The flashlight in this game, I wanted to have a couple different features. First off, having a battery life that would slowly diminish over time. So I wanted to make sure I programmed in a battery. On top of that, there's also the ability for something to mess with the flashlight, like a being or creature, both. So there's a flicker aspect to the flashlight. So there's a lot of animations built into the flashlight, and so you'll see all that set up really quickly. Once again, a couple hours that you will see in about 3 minutes. Make it short and sweet. So if you watch this channel, you know that I struggle with the graphics side of things. I am definitely not a 3D artist, but I try to be. So in this next clip, you'll see that I try to dabble in Unreal Engine, just to try, and I also create a TV, an old school 90s TV in Blender that I try to get ready for this the hallway project here. So this TV will make its way into the game at some point in Unity, but you'll see a quick fast forwarded version of me messing around with it and making a TV in Unreal. Now I'm going to start making a 3D model of the cafeteria table, because I really want to have a cafeteria and then you'll see me jump into recreating the models. I've always had a lot of that I had, so I just kind of went back into Now this last part, which catches us completely up to where I am in the game creation process for this game, is the Pentagram Pigs. This idea or concept is a real life concept that my coworker showed me pictures of that his friend stumbled upon during a walk. And the pictures were disturbing, and it was very similar to what I am going to represent in the game in this first classroom. Enjoy. So it includes a pig. I had to download a pig asset from the internet, and then I had to rip a chunk out of its side and then make it look gross in Substance Painter and then bring that back into the game. Enjoy. Also rose petals. So I just bunched a bunch together, gave them a rigid body and gliders, and then let them burst to wherever they want to across the room, and they end up in pretty cool locations. And that's it for this episode. We ended it with a pig and a pentagram with roses. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. And I'll see you guys again here next time on Debug.Log. Peace.